Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Sometimes we get to sell an actual piece of art, and this is one of those times. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely stunning Buell Café racer. Here we have a Buell Custom Café Racer. This is a 2019 bike on a 19 plate with just 302 miles, and it is breathtaking. This bike has been built with no expense spared. It was originally designed and built by Shaun Barley Customs in Lincolnshire. The paintwork is by Rapier Paintwork and includes actual gold leaf. Would you believe there are no decals anywhere on this motorcycle? This is all paintwork. And it is a thing of beauty, I can tell you. The bike was featured in Backstreet Heroes. In fact, it actually made the cover in March 2019 and has also won concours events at shows around the country. This bike is absolutely stunning. It is based on a Buell, as I said. It's a 1200cc V-twin. But everything is custom on this bike. The frame is a custom build. The exhaust is a custom build. All the bodywork, everything you see here, the attention to detail, I'm hoping the video does it justice, but this bike really simply is just stunning. If you're after something absolutely unique, then this is the bike for you. That paintwork, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but it has got a gold fleck in it and it just sparkles. There you go, you can just about see it there. And in the sunshine, this is absolutely a thing of beauty. As you would expect, absolutely mint condition. The side mount plate there, as you can see, nice detail of the yellow HT leads, chrome fuel tap, just fantastic. All the wiring is internal in the handlebars, so you just get none of the mess. Just a very clean, beautiful motorcycle. As I said, if you want something unique, then this is it. This really is it. One of a kind. Even the handlebars are done in the same finished paint there, and that really stylish speedo there, nice and simple. Really is simplicity. Now, as I said, this bike has won shows. It's appeared in Backstreet Heroes, so you really got something to talk about. You will never be lonely if you actually ride this motorcycle to a bike meet, because you will always have someone to talk to. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. Also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this stunning cafe racer, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.